You have Republicans, you have Democrats, all celebrating the success of manufacturing in America, and that's what today is all about.
I think Creators Wanted is one of the best ways to introduce the next generation into manufacturing.
There is a manufacturing boom taking place all over the country.
And so the opportunities for manufacturing just can't be better.
We are seeing a resurgence of manufacturing here in this country. We've had record investment, record hiring, and record wage growth in the manufacturing sector.
With modern manufacturing and all the advancements we are having in technology, our workplaces are super clean. We use automation, we use technology to make the job easier, and we get paid really well too.
401k, great salary, average wage of 75 to 80k, clean and beautiful working conditions, and hard work with a lot of fun.
I love my career, I love the challenges it gives me, and actually make a difference in people's lives.
Each of you has the potential to be a creator, to make the world better, and to enjoy yourself and learn and grow while you're doing it.